Hey lovelies, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, we are all about effortless, stylish braid hairstyle inspirations and ideas to help you look your absolute best. Today, we are talking about one of the easiest, most versatile protective styles ever, crochet braids. First, what does crochet actually mean? Most people don't know this. Unlike normal braiding, where the extension hair is woven directly into your natural hair from the root, crochet is totally different. With crochet, your natural hair is braided down into cornrows first. Then, a small latch hook needle is used to slide the pre-braided or pre-curled extensions right under your cornrows and loop them secure. It is incredibly fast and puts way less tension on your scalp. The benefits and advantage of crochet braids are endless. It saves you hours at the salon. It is lightweight. This extension can be reused, and it gives your natural hair a complete break to promote healthy hair growth. When it comes to what extensions to use to make your crochet hair, the choices are amazing. You can use pre-twisted passion twists, box braids, Faux Locs. When I mean box braids, I mean you can use canacalon extension. You can also use Faux Locs or loose bouncy curls. For crochet hairstyle inspiration, you can rock a massive coily afro, a sleek side part twist look, or even a beautiful braided updo. But to be honest, the most used extension for crochet is the passion twist extension. Most people also use kinky. Like I said, the choices are amazing. This hairstyle looks amazing. It looks just like it grew from your scalp. Now, to care and maintain this hairstyle, it is very simple. Spray a light leave-in conditioner or water on your scalp to keep it hydrated. And at night, always tie your hair up in a loose pineapple bun or cover it with a silk or satin bonnet to prevent frizz and dryness. So which of these crochet styles will you be trying next in your next salon visit? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to join the Locs beautiful hairstyle family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.